Hi, everybody, and welcome to our math test. So I'm going to be going over all of the questions. So mainly this is for the grown-ups, and of course the kids you can listen to because you're going to be taking it. So kind of going over the directions. This will be in Kami, so they'll be working on it in Kami. All right, so name up on top, but even if you forget the name, that's okay because Kami tells me who turns it in because it's under your Schoology account. All right, so the first one. Which shape has four equal sides? They're going to circle which shape has four equal sides, right? There's only one. And then in Kami, they're going to cross out the shapes that have four corners. So they're going to be looking. Remember, your job as the grown-up here is to just read the directions, not to give them the answers. We want to see what they learned this whole unit. All right, that way we know what to review and to work on more throughout the year. Right, so they need to cross out the shapes that have four corners or put some sort of scribble on them. That way we know which shape has four corners, shapes, because there's more than one. All right, so this one is going to need pattern blocks, right? If you weren't able to print the ones or have the ones that I sent home for my hybrid kiddos, you can use this. I will have this up, this site on Schoology, so you can use pattern blocks to build a shape with 6 sides. So you can use these to build a shape with 6 sides, right? And then how many did you use? How many squares? Did you use any? How many trapezoids? How many rhombuses? And how many triangles? If you didn't use them, put 0. So you're building a shape with 6 sides. I'm going to write how many of these you used. If you use 0, write 0. If you use one of them, use one of them. But what did you use to build a shape with 6 sides? Then number 4 goes with number 3. What shape did you build? You built a shape with 6 sides. Which one did you build? Trapezoid, rhombus, hexagon, or rectangle? Color in the circle. Bubble in the right answer. What shape is this? How do you know? You're going to write it on here. The most important part, yes, I know they know the name of the shape, but how do they know? Think about the attributes, right? They can tell you how they know, and then you can type it in. They don't have to write it because this is math, and I want to know their math thinking, not their writing skills. All right, so how do they know that that is that shape? All right, and the next one, which is true for all trapezoids? Are they all red? Do they all have 4 sides? Are they all big? Do they all have equal sides? They get to pick one, all right? Color in one of those that is true for all trapezoids. Which is not true for all cylinders? Can all cylinders roll? Do all of them have 2 circular faces? Are all of them made of metal? They need to pick one. Color in one of these circles in Kami. Number 8, you also are probably going to need this. All right, use triangles to build a trapezoid. So how many triangles does it take to build the trapezoid? You're going to put in the number. Did you use 1, 2, 3, or 4? Now you're going to take that and add another shape to make it a hexagon. That means you only add one more shape to make it a hexagon. What shape did you add to those triangles to make it a hexagon? This is, nope, not our last one. Almost. Is this a triangle? So yes, it's a triangle. No, it's not a triangle. How do you know? How do you know if yes, it's a triangle? Or how do you know if no, this isn't a triangle? Remember, they can tell it to you and you can write it down, but please don't help them think of the answer. All right, I want to see if they know if that is a triangle or not. Which shapes could you use to make a rhombus? So this might be a little bit harder if you were not able to print out the shapes. So you put these 2 together, these 2 together, these 2 together. Only one set is going to be able to make a rhombus. Now they could do it in here, The first one was a triangle and a square. Put them together. Does that make a rhombus? So they can try each set and which one makes a rhombus. You can click in the circle. And then which shapes would not make a hexagon if you put them together? All right, so 3 of these sets will make a hexagon. 1 of them will not. So you have to figure out which set of shapes will make a hexagon. All right, this is here to help you if you need it. If you printed out your pattern blocks and cut them out, I would definitely suggest using those because the students in class will be able to use those pattern blocks. So I want to give the equal opportunity for you. All right, so this will be uploaded through Kami. So please make sure that you complete this. Please read the questions to the students, but do not help with any of the answers. All right, you may help them write the words, but please do not help them think. All right, all that hard brain work was first grade job. All right, well, thank you for all of your help. I appreciate everything you do. And once the kiddo is done with their with their test, say exit ticket, with their test through Kami, please go ahead and turn it in. And then we are going to be done with this unit. We're going to be moving on to addition and subtraction. All right. It was wonderful teaching you geometry, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.